Hey guys, David here.
And I'm Morgan.
And one of the questions that I always get asked is how to ace that blush placement. And luckily for you, this month, in your play box, you are getting Tarte's Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Tarte. Okay, Morgan, so how do you normally apply blush every day?
So I usually look in the mirror, smile, and then just apply it on the apples of my cheeks.
Of course. So that's a pretty common application technique. Nothing wrong with it. It's a great technique, but sometimes you want to go a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little hack, a little tip, yeah, that's going to slightly change the way you do it, but it's going to upgrade it and give you more of a sculpt.
Ooh, I love that.
Yes. The key is take 2 fingers, okay, place them next to your nose. Now that mark here is as close to your nose as your blush should get.
Oh, that's totally different.
It's totally different. So like when we do the apple cheek and we smile, right, and we go like this, we're actually bringing the blush a little closer, which can tend to make them look fuller. But when you do this, what you're doing is you're getting more of a, what we call the magic line of makeup, and it creates more of a lifted feel. It's the easiest tip, and I tell you, you can use one blush and have it in 2 totally different ways. You can do the apple one day, and you can do the sculpt one day, and it'll look totally different. Okay, so I'm gonna have you help me here by applying your 2 fingers there so I can see the mark. Perfect. So we're gonna start here, and we are going to sweep right up into the hairline, and done. So easy, right? So now I'm gonna have you look here. Again, apply, sweep up, and done. So obviously, you know, the 2 fingers is a great way to learn that mark, but once you learn where that placement goes, you won't need to do that every time, right? You'll know after that. And the reason that I'm sweeping right into your hairline is because that whole pulling motion and lifting motion is what actually sculpts the face. So do you know that there's somewhere else besides your cheeks that you can apply your blush?
No, where?
So your eyes.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, so blush works really great in eye looks. It's a great transition color, and it's a great way to incorporate the color that you have on your blush here right into your eyes and create a polished, clean look. So we're gonna use a fluffy blending brush, right? Almost everybody has one of these. If you don't, you need one. So what I'm gonna have you do is close your eyes for me. And where we're gonna do this for you is we're gonna run this right through your crease. It's a great way to add definition, to bring some of that blush tone right into the eye area, especially if you get this in your box and your skin's a little bit deeper toned and you can't use it as a blush. It makes a great eyeshadow. Yeah, so it's really, really versatile. So let's do the other eye. And again, we're just running it through the crease here. And I really do love when a blush and an eyeshadow have that symmetry to them. I think it really creates a polished look. Look at how pretty that is.
Oh, I love that. I love how it's all tied together.
Right?
It's really pretty and so easy.
So easy to do. One product, multiple looks.
I love it.
So there you go, guys. Some tips and tricks on how you can ace your blush placement as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.